So students, now let us start with the next heading, that is square root. In this one we are going to study that how we are supposed to calculate the square root with the help of, there are two methods which is given in your syllabus. One is by factorization method, another is by long division method. Now let us first understand what do you mean by the square root here. As you know that every operation has an inverse operation. Like we can say that the division and the multiplication, these two are inverse operation of each other. The same thing we have in this case of the square. Also we have got one inverse operation, that is said to be what? Square root. And the symbol of the square root is represented like this way. For example, if you can see here, 3 square. 3 square can be written as equals to 9, which you have studied from the previous videos. So we can write it, the answer part I have written it in the square root of 9. Whatever my result is there, that I have written in the reverse order or inverse operation we can say. And under root of 9 comes out to be equals to 3. Or we can say square root of 9 equals to how much? The number 3. Again 10 square equals to what? 100. And it can be written as under root of 100 equals to what? The number 10. Similarly also we can say the square root of 25 equals to what? 5. Now here there is a note given to us. Very important point is to be discussed here. It says that minus 5 square is also equals to 25. Since I know that minus 5 into minus 5 will give me the result equals to 25. So the square root of 25 can be written as plus 5 or it can be written as minus 5. So actually in the class it's been taught that the square root of 25 equals to plus minus 5, but we always take positive square root only. We are not supposed to take the negative square root. A negative square root will be taking if we are supposed to simply we have to calculate it. But in the case of simple for the calculation purpose, we are only supposed to take a positive square root of the number in our 8th standard. As you come to the 10th standard, we will be definitely taking the negative number, that is negative square root of the number, and that will also give you some result. Now we can redefine the perfect squares. Another term is coming up here. Perfect square is a number whose square root is always a whole number. Whenever we get a square root of any number as a whole number, we say that it's a perfect square. Like these numbers which we can see here, the above one, the number 9 which we have taken, the number 100 we have taken, the number 25 we have taken, we are always getting a whole number. That is, the answer is coming out to be equals to plus 5. We are not taking the negative terms, negative sign. So always we are getting a whole number. So those numbers, that is the number 25, the number 100 and the number 9, these are said to be what? These are said to be the perfect square. Now in the next module, that is the next video, we will see how we will calculate the square root of the number by using a prime factorization method.